Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about terracing, elevating and lowering leaves. When you place them in, sometimes they bend down too far. Sometimes they're too high. Two techniques that can make that happen. One, for the bending down, use a 22 gauge wire. Bend it into a hairpin. Don't need quite so much length. Then feed that in over the main vein. Bend it down and then tape. Don't go over the bottom so it'll keep drinking. Cut your wires short so that they don't get in the way. Then you can bend it and place it in, getting that perfect horizontal placement. Now for the bottom, where it's still down too far, take an 18 gauge wire, bend it into a hairpin, cut a little shorter, and then slide that underneath. So you've got your leaves, set it in, and let that elevate the lower one, and then the upper works perfectly. Now you know how the pros do it.